everybody, this is Accounting Company for Lotte Apartment visit. Here we are, this is the kitchen. Just on the right, the fridge. Here this is the living room with a table, chair, 2 sofas between 1 table. Wi-Fi connection. This apartment is providing with air conditioning and ventilation. If we continue the visit, just on the right you can see an elevator. So we are at the 2nd floor, this is right on it. Let's continue by the only room with a big bed 2 places. Just here, 1 commodity where you can put your clothes. You get also 1 windows with connected with the street. And the bathroom. That's it for this apartment. Thank you.